So we have seen Redmi Note 5 and Note 5 Pro, and now it's time for the upcoming Redmi Note 6. Note 5 Pro is a good phone, but we need more always. What we have seen is that the camera is improved a lot, but due to EIS its video quality is not up to the mark as compared to MIA1. So in the Note 6 they can fix this by giving OIS instead of EIS. And another thing is that Snapdragon 636 in Redmi Note 6 Pro, which is good processor and it's new, but we need more power with excellent graphics quality. And talking about the display, they should give Super IPS Plus display instead of normal IPS panel. So let's hope for the best for the Redmi Note 6. Hope they will fix all these things and give a better phone in this price range. So me Pavitra signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, take care.